Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to install the Ford Accessories Molle panel and storage bag option on a 2021 Ford Bronco.
Included in the kit is the main Molle panel and 6 storage pouches. First, open the tailgate. I decided to put some blue painter's tape down just to protect the paint. And then using a trim tool, pry along the bottom edge, popping out the 4 clips that you'll find along there. There's 4 clips along the bottom, and then 4 hooks along the top edge. You can now remove the painter's tape. There are 4 inverted J-shaped clips along the top. Place each one into one of the 4 slots along the top of the tailgate. They're pretty forgiving, so you should be able to open them up a little to get them through the slot. And there are 2 J-clips on an elastic cord that you just need to pull down and stretch into the slots. On each side of the panel is some adhesive backed Velcro. I pulled the panel tight and worked my way down to the bottom. And repeat the process on the other side. Pull it taut to make sure that your Molle panel lays nice and flat against the back of the tailgate. I didn't like this gap along the top edge of the tailgate, so I added some 3M automotive double-sided tape. And I pressed the Molle panel firmly in place. It looks a lot tidier along that top edge now. To mount the bags, there's a variety of snap fasteners along the back. Undo them so you can slide them into the Molle panel. And simply slide the straps wherever you want them along the panel. And then press the snaps together to securely mount the pouch on the panel. It's a handy organizational solution with a trash can and 5 other storage pouches. This gives you an idea of how far the bags stick out on the tailgate. Here's a look on the inside with the tailgate closed.
There you go, really easy to install, less than 30 minutes. Looks great, super functional. Give the video a like, maybe subscribe. Until next time.